Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about the topic of the Kalasa Banduri project. So Kalasa and Banduri, these are two rivers. First river is Kalsa and then second river is Banduri, and these two rivers are tributaries of Mandovi river or Mahadei river. So there is basically a conflict or dispute between the states of Goa and Karnataka. So both Goa and Karnataka lies on the western Ghats and they share border with the Arabian Sea. So they are the western Ghat, or you can say the western India states. So there is a dispute between the river Mahadei between the state of Goa and Karnataka. So this is about the news. Let us first understand the timeline. First we will be looking at the news, then about the Mahadei river, then Kalsa Banduri Nala project, in the end prelims practice question. Topic is of relevance from general studies paper 1 and paper 3. Paper 1 is geography, river, paper 3 is environment. So let's begin. The news talks about Goa and Karnataka at loggerheads again over the Kalsa Banduri project as central body inspect Mahadei basin. So you need to understand few important things, that this dispute is between two states, that is Goa and Karnataka. Most important fact, the river is Mahadei river. It is also known as the Mandovi river, and the two tributaries of the Mahadei river, that is Kalsa and Banduri. So the Kalsa and Banduri project is a hydro power plant. It is a hydro power plant. So basically what is it all about is, let me show you the image first. Look at this image. See, this is Goa, this is Maharashtra, and this is Karnataka. Okay, fine. Now there is a river called Mahadei river. Mahadei river originates in Karnataka. It originates in Karnataka and then it flows through Goa. And then it drains out in the Arabian Sea. It is a rain-fed river. It means it gets its water from the rainfall or the precipitation. Now the point is that there is a dispute between Goa on one side and Karnataka on other side with regard to the sharing of water of the Mandovi or the Mahadei river. Karnataka wants a major share or a larger share of water, while Goa is opposing this move of Karnataka. Now the Kalsa Banduri project is about two rivers, that is Kalsa and Banduri, which are tributaries of the Mahadei river. So it talks about that dams, canals and barrages will be made on the Mahadei river, and these barrages will shift the water of the, or will divert the water of the Mahadei river into the Kalsa and the Banduri tributaries in Karnataka, and these Kalsa and Banduri tributaries will then move on to the Malprabha river, which feeds the thrusty or the past districts of the Karnataka. This is about the whole dispute. Now let us see that what is the recent update on this Kalsa Banduri project. I hope things are clear. I will be telling you about the river and about the project. I will also be showing you map. So let's begin. So the team from the Mahadei River Central Authority, and this team is Progressive River Authority for Water and Harmony, that is PRAVA. They have visited the Balgavi district of Karnataka as part of a tour of the three states from which the river flows. And the river that we are talking about is the Mahadei river, and the states are Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa. So this visit by the PRAVA has reopened conversations on a 4-decade-old dispute between the Karnataka and Goa about sharing the river water. Then in the year 1985, Karnataka initially investigated a 350 megawatt hydroelectric project to divert the half of the Mahadei water for irrigation purposes. So this Kalsa Banduri project is with regard to diversion of water of Mahadevi river into Karnataka. And Mahadevi river is also known as Mandovi or Mahadevi. So when anyone says Mandovi, Mahadevi or Mahadi, so it is the same river. Then Goa has long protested the water diversion scheme. So basically it is about that Goa does not want to share the water while Karnataka is asking for more share of water. And with this regard to the dispute, a tribunal was also made, and the decision by the tribunal with regard to the sharing of water was between Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. But Karnataka was not satisfied with the decision of the tribunal. So Karnataka challenged the decision in the Supreme Court, and then Supreme Court when gave the restructured view of the sharing of the water, then it was the digits changed which was earlier given by the tribunal, but then Karnataka in the end is not getting the water which they were supposed to get. And this is about the whole dispute or the controversy. What you need to remember in this is, first is the main river, that is Mahadevi river. Then the states involved is Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka, but the dispute is majorly between Goa and Karnataka. Then the two tributaries of Mahadevi river, which is very important, and with regard to the project also, that is the, what is the name of the project? That is the Kalsa Banduri. So Kalsa and Banduri are two tributaries of Mahadevi river. These are the important facts that you need to remember. Now let us know about the Mahadevi river. So Mahadevi river is a west flowing river. West flowing river means it will open its mouth in the Arabian Sea. It is a west flowing river, originates in the Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary in the Western Ghats in Karnataka. So Mahadevi river originates in Karnataka, Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary. It is a west flowing river. Then it is a rain fed river. It means it receives its water from the precipitation or the rainfall, and it is also called Mandovi in Goa. Then it is joined by a number of streams to form the Mandovi, which is one of the two major rivers, other being Juari river that flows through Goa. So Goa has two major rivers, one is Juari and the other is Mandovi. So this river becomes very important for Goa, specifically with regard to the North Goa. Then the river travels 35 kilometers in Karnataka, 82 kilometers in Goa before joining the Arabian Sea. So the major part of the river flows in Goa. Now look at this map. This is Karnataka, this is Goa, and this is Maharashtra. Now we have to see that this river, which is Mahadevi river, it is originating from Karnataka. This is originating from Karnataka and then it is entering into Goa. So this is how the river originates and moves into Goa, and it is originating from the Bhimgarh Wildlife Sanctuary in Karnataka, and the district is Belagavi. So it is going into Goa. So and the major part of the river flows into Goa, and then it opens in the mouth opens into the Arabian Sea. So if you will see, this is North Goa. This is the map of Goa. This is Maharashtra. So Mandovi or Mahadevi river is flowing into the North Goa. Okay. Now we will see another map also. I hope things are clear with regard to the river. Now coming to the Kalsa Banduri Nala project. Kalsa Banduri Nala project. Now again look at this map. See. This is Karnataka. This is Goa. This is Karnataka and this is Maharashtra. Now first of all about the Mahadevi or the Mandovi river. See, this is the Mahadevi or the Mandovi river originating from Karnataka, then flowing to the Goa. This is the river. Fine. Now, there are two tributaries of Mahadevi river, and that is, first is the Kalsa dam. Okay, wait, let me rub it. Okay, this was the river, Mahadevi river. See, first is the Kalsa tributary. This is the Kalsa tributary. Okay, and then this is the Banduri river. Both are tributaries of Mahadevi river. Now the project talks about building dams, canal system and barrages on the river so that the water from the Mahadevi river can be diverted into Kalsa and Banduri river. So if the water will move from the Mahadevi river into the Kalsa river and the Banduri river through the barrages, then water will also move in Kalsa river and the Banduri river. And Kalsa river and Banduri river then will give or will transfer the water to the Malaprabha river. Malaprabha river is one of the major rivers of Karnataka and it feeds the three past areas or districts of Karnataka, one of them being the Belagavi district. And this is about the whole project, that transferring water from the Mahadevi river into the Malaprabha river so that the past districts of the Karnataka can get the water. And the amount or the quantity of water which Karnataka is asking for, Goa does not agree on it, because for Goa, Mandovi or Mahadevi river is very much important, specifically with regard to the North Goa. So this is the dispute, that how much water can be transferred into the Kalsa Banduri project, and the barrage will divert how much of the water. This is about the whole dispute. Now about the Kalsa Banduri Nala project, it is undertaken by Karnataka to improve drinking water supply to the three districts of Belagavi, Bharwad and Gadag, and these are the past districts of Karnataka. So the main aim of this project is to provide drinking water to the past districts of Karnataka. Then it involves building across Kalsa and Banduri, two tributaries of the Mahadevi river, to divert water to the Malaprabha river, and Malaprabha river will then take this water into the past districts of Karnataka. Then Malaprabha river supplies drinking water to the past districts of Karnataka, and the project was planned in the year 1989, but Goa raised an objection to it with regard to the sharing of water. Then the Mahadevi Water Dispute Tribunal was set up in the year 2010, and Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra are parties to the tribunal, but the decision which was given by the tribunal was challenged by the Karnataka in the Supreme Court, and then Supreme Court gave another decision, and the amount of water being shared between Goa and Karnataka was changed, but now Karnataka as of now is not receiving the quantity of water that it should receive. Now in the end of prelims MCQ, and you people will give me the answer in the comment section. So the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. The Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is situated along which of the following rivers? That is Mandovi, Krishna, Kaveri or Godavari. You must know this question because we have just now discussed so much about the river. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.